For this video, I took this dress that was kind of sheer and unflattering, and I loved the pattern of it, so I thought I would do something with it, and I decided to do a two-piece set. So I cut and measured where I want to cut it, and also I ripped the ugly piece that it had on the bottom of the dress. I didn't show you how it looks like with it, but trust me, it was really, really ugly, so I had to rip that off. Trust me, I have to say it was disgusting. So let me just get rid of it. Nah, just kidding. I'm going to find a purpose for this. We don't throw anything away in this house. Anyways, so I cut it, and then because I didn't want it to be so sheer, I decided to do a lining for the skirt. I just put it on the fabric that was kind of similar, and I basically traced it and marked where I need to cut it, and also added seam allowance. I folded the skirt with the lining 2.5 centimeters, and I pinned it, and I'm sewing it in the machine all the way through, except this one small part that I'm going to leave open so I can put inside the elastic. I have a video where I show you exactly how I do that, so feel free to check that video out. And then just sewing the small part that I left, backstitching at the beginning and the end of the stitch. So I wasn't supposed to film right now. I was sewing for like an hour or two. My eyes are dead, but it just came out so perfect with the stop that I really had to show you. Okay, like, I don't know if you can see. So as you can see, it makes it look like it's a perfect dress. It's really, really cute from the front and from the back. And I don't know how I feel about the elastic. Maybe it will look more professional with a zipper, but I don't know, I just prefer this because it's more comfortable for me. And if I gain weight, lose weight, it works better than a zipper. So, but definitely this is going to be a favorite for summer and for a vacation, and I hope to find more things that I can wear it with. But yeah. Also, it is not sheer at all. I'm so glad I added the lining, and it really makes it perfect, and I look like a princess. This is exactly what I'm hoping to achieve this summer with this wardrobe. And there's something about this shape of the skirt that just makes every top, well, almost every top, look like a dress, and I live for it. I am obsessed with this. It's just so cute. I think I mostly made the skirt just so we can go with this top, which I really, really love, but it's really cropped. So I really hoped to make something that could be very high-waisted, so I won't feel too uncomfortable wearing it. And I think this is it. This is the perfect piece for it. And now for the top. So I already cut it. Now what I want to do is basically I want to make the sleeves shape a little bit different. I'm just gathering the fabric and sewing it by hand. It's really simple. You just take a little bit of fabric and more each time, just taking small pieces and threading it. And I have a video on this too, so I will also link it. After I did that, I added bows on both sides. I already have those bows, so I didn't need to make them or something. I just sewed it by hand to the top. All I had left was to hem the bottom of the top. And I did it really close to the bottom. I didn't want the stitch to be on the texture of the top, so it won't get in the way. So I did what I could to not be so close to it. And first I wanted to show you how I paired this top with the skirt that I already made. I'm going to link the video for that skirt also. And I think it matches. It's really cute, but I'm not sure if it's too much together. So let me know what you think about it. And now for the final result of the two pieces together as a set. This is how it looks. I really think it turned out so beautiful and even better than what I expected it to be, honestly. It's so cute and it's very summer vacation and princess and fairy, and I don't know, I just really like it. And I'm thinking of maybe adding like some sort of tie, so if I want to, I can make it tighter on the back. And that's it. I'm going to wear this so many times, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think, and I will see you in the next video. Bye. Also, if you like this video, please subscribe and comment. It really helps me, and it will just get my video to more people so they can see the process. And I'm just really passionate about making these projects and making more people know how to sew and how to transform the clothes, and it's really not that hard. So I would appreciate it if you do that. That's it. I'm done. Bye.